Hey, it's Eric Scott, and I am here to announce something new, something different, something that I'm pretty excited about. I am launching a brand new online workshop that's all about breaking out of our creative funks and trying something new. I don't know about you, but I have been feeling very stagnant, very much stuck in a rut here lately. And I just feel like I'm in this creative funk and I need to break out. I need to do something new. So I thought, hey, I'll go ahead and I'll do it, but I'll offer it as an online workshop because maybe you're stuck at home. You need some kind of artistic connection. You need a new spark. You're kind of in your comfort zone doing the same old thing, and you want a little kind of kick in the pants to get yourself going. So that's what I'm going to do. The name of this workshop is called Breakout Voice. And it simply comes from something that I was scribbling as I was coming up with ideas, is that I want to break out of my creative rut and find a new direction for my artistic voice. Breakout voice. And so this is different. This is new in a couple different ways. So first of all, it's all new content. It's stuff that I have not shared before online anywhere. These are challenges that I've developed over the years that have helped me, that have helped my public school art students, and it's something that I'm finally going to share with the world. So that's the first thing. The other thing is that this is a online workshop, but it's going to be live. So we're going to do Zoom meetups once a week in May for 4 classes, 2 hours at a time, to come together, and I'll share ideas and we'll make art together, and we'll be able to kind of share the questions, our concerns, ask whatever's on our mind, and help each other kind of break out of this sort of comfort zone that we may have found ourselves in. And then the third way that it's different is that this is a pay as much as you can kind of workshop. So the lowest level is $25. So $25 for 8 hours of workshop time. Awesome deal. And I know that a lot of people are hurting financially. I'm one of them. As an artist, I had a lot of things canceled because of all that's going on. And I just want to try to reach out and give people something that can lift them up. If you can afford more, if you're in a more comfortable position, awesome. I'd appreciate that. But pay as much as you can, basically. We're going to start this the very first week in May 6th, and then we're going to do it every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. And I hope that you can join me. I'm really excited. Like I said, it's all new content. It's an all new format, and I'm looking forward to meeting up with you and encouraging you. So I hope you can join me. Really do, really do. So thank you so much. And as always, happy creating.